We have some breaking news coming in. TMC MP Sukhendu Shekhar Roy has been summoned by the Kolkata police. He has been given notice asking to appear before the police headquarters at 4 p.m. today. That's the latest breaking news we're getting from Kolkata. TMC MP Sukhendu Shekhar Roy has been summoned by the Kolkata police and he's been given notice asking to appear before the police headquarters at 4 p.m. Ritik Mandal is joining us on the phone line for more on this. Ritik, give us more clarity on why exactly Sukhendu Shekhar Roy has been summoned by the Kolkata police.
Well, what we are picking up at this point in time that the action is being taken against Sukhendu Shekhar Roy. Remember, this morning we reported the veteran leader of Trinamool Congress. He tweeted and posted on social media and upping the ante against Kolkata police and said that it feels the Central Probing Agency should investigate POP and investigate thoroughly the principal of the hospital. But also he mentioned that Kolkata police sent the sniffer dog 3 days after the crime, and police claimed that this information precisely was wrong, and police alleged him for spreading misinformation on his social media post. And what we are more being informed, a case has been registered so accordingly, and so he has been summoned to appear before the investigating team. Remember, already the post has escalated row inside the Trinamool. Kunal Ghosh, tried to defame police commissioner and also said that the party do not support the comment of Sukhendu Shekhar Roy, veteran leader, and also it's very unfortunate. So we see that a lot of politics happening over this, and also police now summoned Sukhendu Shekhar Roy, alleging for spreading misleading information on social media with regard to this incident. Back to you.
Right, thanks Ritik for bringing us all those details. Meanwhile, TMC MP Sukhendu Ray spoke to India Today a few days ago, questioned his own government over RG Kar hospital case.
Question of reinstatement does not arise. He would have been arrested on the very first day. Because, first of all...
So why has he not been arrested?
Why has he not been arrested? That is the moot question. Because he is the administrative head of the RG Kar.
Are you asking for his arrest then?
Of course.
It is your government.
Yes, of course.
What do you say does matter then?
Irrespective of government, it is the duty incumbent of the authorities concerned that whosoever is the administrative head, he must be booked first. Who sent the information that your daughter has committed suicide? If a child is not safe at home, then where should we go? Are we living in jungle? That is the moot question now. There are several.
That's a big question coming from you. You are a Trinamool Congress MP. Your party is in power. You are saying it's a jungle raj.
Forget about whether I am an MP or not. I am a human being. Kolkata is altogether a different city. Here the girls, the women, they move freely, unlike many other places in the country. But unfortunately, after this incident, everybody has been horrified. We shudder in shock.
Politics around the Kolkata rape case is heating up. While Mamata Banerjee faces criticism over the probe, her party's MP Sukhendu Shekhar Ray is raising serious questions over the probe. TMC MP called for the CBI to probe Kolkata CP and ex-principal Sudeep Ghosh, questioning who spread the suicide theory. He's also pointed out delays in using sniffer dogs, the demolition of a key wall. Kolkata police has now been given notice asking to appear before the Kolkata police. War of words broke out after TMC leader Kunal Ghosh opposed Sukhendu Shekhar Ray's statement involving Kolkata CP, saying that it was unfortunate that a senior leader of his party indulged in making such a statement. Meanwhile, former BJP MP Lokit Chatterjee has been summoned by the Kolkata police after she allegedly disclosed the identity of RG Kar hospital rape victim. Lokit Chatterjee also hit out at TMC MP Rachna Banerjee as well, as she was not summoned by the COB despite written complaint filed against her to CP for revealing the identity of the victim. Rachna Banerjee had later issued an apology regarding the same.
मेरे पास कोई समन नहीं आया अभी तक. मैं लाल बाजार को मैं रिक्वेस्ट करना चाहती हूँ. ये जो सोशल मीडिया में इन्होंने सब लोग आंख सोशल मीडिया के ऊपर है कि बंगाल में 10 करोड़ जनता ने क्या क्या सोशल मीडिया में लिख रहे हैं जस्टिस पाने के लिए. इससे ज्यादा बेहतर होगा कि ये लाल बाजार पुलिस अगर सीबीआई को थोड़ा सा मदद करे और जो एविडेंस है उसको मतलब पूरा जो उसको विलुप्त करके जो जैसा मतलब जस्टिस के लिए ये मतलब लेट कर रहे हैं, इसमें थोड़ा सा ध्यान दे। कितना लोगों को, 10 करोड़ जनता, कितना लोगों को बुलाएंगे लाल बाजार में? हम सब एक साथ जाएंगे, चलेंगे हम लोग। ये लोग, हम लोग जस्टिस पाने के लिए हम लोग अपेक्षा में हैं।
See, it was definitely a very big mistake on my part. I shouldn't have done that. I should have said it as Tilottama, as everybody is saying. But I was so sad and I was very, very emotional at that moment of my time when I was doing that video. All the words which I was saying, it was from my heart. It was not scripted. It was not written anywhere. And I was very, very emotional to say such words. So naturally, with the emotion, that name came into my mind, because everybody's mind is now stuck with that same name. But I had to delete the post because I had mentioned the name which was wrong on my part. It was a mistake, so mistake is always a mistake. You should accept the mistake.
Mamata Banerjee, Honorable Chief Minister, she also demands justice. लेकिन आज Honorable MP सुखेंदु शेखर राय जी जो ट्वीट किया, पुलिस कमिश्नर को कस्टोडियल इंटरोगेशन चाहिए, ये जो डिमांड है इसको हम अपोज कर रहे हैं, क्योंकि आफ्टर गेटिंग इंफॉर्मेशन ऑनरेबल सीपी विनीत गोयल, he has done his best within 12 hours. An accused has been arrested.
ममता बनर्जी जी खुद महिला हैं और एक महिला का दुख दर्द वो समझती हैं। उन्होंने कार्रवाई की है और जो उनकी डिमांड्स थी सीबीआई या अन्य संस्था से जांच कराने का, वो भी फैसला सरकार ने लिया है। लेकिन इसके साथ साथ भारतीय जनता पार्टी के लोगों को राजनीति नहीं करनी चाहिए। और अगर बंगाल के बारे में इतनी चिंता है, स्वाभाविक है जो घटना हुई है उस हिसाब से जो लोग, डॉक्टर्स हैं, सब लोग स्ट्राइक पे गए हैं। लेकिन बीजेपी को घटनाओं से राजनीतिक लाभ नहीं लेना चाहिए।
न्याय मिलना चाहिए। डॉक्टर लोग जो स्ट्राइक कर रहे हैं, पीछे रखिएगा। अब क्या घटना हो रही है, यह है जघन्य महिला के साथ हुआ।
यार बहुत ही बर्बरता है ये, बहुत ही इसका घोर खंडन करते हैं। इसका पूरा का पूरा जांच हो और यहाँ पर न्याय मिलनी चाहिए उन लोगों को जिनके ऊपर ये अत्याचार हुए हैं, और ख़ास तौर पर कौन है ये अपराधी, उनको कड़ी से कड़ी सज़ा मिलनी चाहिए। अब सीबीआई जल्दी करे काम। जब राजनीतिक जो ओपोनेंट्स है उनके ऊपर डंडा चलाना है तो सीबीआई एकदम फौरन काम करती है। अब ऐसे चीज़ों पे न्याय दिलाए।
CBI has taken over, but violence continues. The chief minister is resorting to blame game, and she is accusing the opposition. And she must understand she is the chief minister. She cannot shift blame, accusing opposition. She cannot escape from her duty.
Completely TMC के मॉब है। पुलिस और टीएमसी के गुंडा लोग मिलकर ये काम किए हैं। आज विनीत गोयल और विनीत गोयल का टीम पहला आधा घंटा क्यों कुछ नहीं किए, क्यों टीयर गैस नहीं फेंके? आज आपका रिपोर्टर का पीछे में वो लोग छुप रहे थे, क्यों? नाटक मत करिए कि भाजपा किए हैं। जो लोग आंदोलन कर रहे जस्टिस के लिए, जो लोग आंदोलन कर रहे ये बेटी के लिए, वो जाके डॉक्टर लोग को ही मारेगा।
कि वो केवल पॉलिटिकल टूरिज्म करते हैं। जहां उनको लगता है कि वहां पर उनको माइलेज मिलेगी, वहां जाते हैं, जिम्मेदारी कुछ लेते नहीं हैं। और इसीलिए जहां पर जिम्मेदारी है, जहां उनके अलायंस है, वहां पर जिस तरह का हाल हो रहा है उसकी परवाह नहीं करते। सो राहुल गांधी केवल वल्चर पॉलिटिशियन है।